This is Rimstalker here with the third video. Show you how to find what kind of planet you need to harvest from and to also set a command center on it. The first thing you're going to need to do if you're doing this for the corporation is speak with me about what you're going to harvest for the corporation. So if you're going to do this for yourself, that's fine. You can go ahead and harvest whatever you want. The process is the same for both. Then you're going to want to go to this website. I will have this URL in the description of the video. And you're going to want to pull it up and find that this is probably one of the most helpful websites you're ever going to hit for PI. What we're looking for here is reactive gas, and you see I have kind of it highlighted down here in the resource section. It's the bright yellow right there. We're going to need it because we can make oxidizing compound out of it. Now, if you look to the left of it, you'll see that this little planet here is a gas planet. It tells you which planets you can find what you're looking for. This way you don't have to go check every single planet in the system, run the scan on it, is it what I need or not. You can look right here and it'll tell you exactly what to look at. Sometimes it's only found on one planet, such as reactive gas. Sometimes aqueous liquids, we can find it on barren planets. We can find it on gas, it's on a whole bunch. So you have many choices many times with a lot of them. Once you got that, we need reactive gas. It's on a gas planet. We're going to need to put a gas command center. You have to use the correct command center for the correct planet. The system will not allow you to put anything else on there. You're going to come down to the Corp Use area, into PI and Skill Books, and you're going to grab your little command center, and you're going to drag it into your cargo bay. This is my trusty Iteron that I borrowed from Kay. So we're pretty much ready to go at this point. Since we're in a kind of a sketchy area at times with newts, it's best to do as much as we can from within the safety of the station rather than go out and try to look at stuff. There's no point in doing that. So let's look and see what planet we actually need to see this on. If we click up here on current solar system, on the solar system name, and this works in any solar system anywhere, you click that, it'll pop up a little info window. I have the tab all ready to go on orbital bodies, and we can see it's going to be on the 7th planet. This is helpful to do if you're 4 or 5 systems away from where you want to be. Now, there's no real reason to do that here, but sometimes in HiSec, if you do PI there or somewhere else, you may have multiple systems that you're actually harvesting from. This just makes it easier rather than going and saying, oh, I'm not sure what system, what planet and which system I need to be. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do that. We're just going to take a real quick peek at it. We're going to right click on the name. We're going to select View in Planet Mode. Go ahead and get rid of that. And we're going to go ahead and hit Scan. This is our planet. Let's go ahead and minimize this down a little bit. We're going to click on reactive gas. There they are. I will show you in the next video how to get a better reading than that. But that's our planet, and that's what we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and close out of this. We have our command center verified in our cargo hold. Our ship is ready. We're checking for newts. There are no newts. And we're going to undock and place the command center. Don't rush off to the planet. There's no reason to once you're undocked. And as a matter of fact, when we pull out of the station, I'm going to stop the ship. You don't have to go all the way over there to wherever the planet is to do this. All you have to do is be in space. So we're going to go ahead and click this again. We're going to view it in planet mode. We're going to get rid of it. Notice the build mode is ready. Command centers, it's a go. And all we're going to do is drag it and plop it and hit submit. In PI, you have to, pretty much anytime you do anything, you have to submit. If you don't hit the submit button, it doesn't do it. Many times you'll come back 2 or 3 days later or whatever your cycle is for harvesting or whatnot, and come to find out it hasn't done any of that because you forgot to hit submit. It's very irritating. It's there, it's submitted, it's on the planet. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to upgrade it. Right off the bat, right from the start. You want to upgrade all the way. Don't say, well, oh, I'm going to only upgrade to 2 or 3, and then if I need more later, I'll upgrade. No, no. That's like being in, the Star Trek, Starship Enterprise. Let's go ahead and go to warp 12 and be done with it. Let's not piddle around. If you don't upgrade, many times you'll find that you forget, and all of a sudden you can only put 1 or 2 things down. It's not working very fast. It's best set the command center and upgrade it. That way you're ready to go. So we're done. We haven't gone anywhere. We're at a good distance in case somebody hops back in, a nuke hops in and says, hey, bad people here. We can dock immediately. And your first planet is now set up with a command center. And that concludes this video.